Because soiled or contaminated protective gear can increase your risk of exposure to toxic substances, it's essential to keep your SCBA clean. Here are 7 steps to clean your SCBA and help keep yourself safe. 1. Gently brush or sponge off with a mild soap and water solution to remove any large, gross contaminants. Then rinse with a low-pressure hose. 2. Inspect your SCBA, making sure to wear gloves and eye protection. 3. Wash with a soft sponge or a bristle brush in warm water. Once you've removed the surface dirt on these components, you can rinse thoroughly. 4. To make sure your SCBA is clean, re-inspect it. If it's not, repeat step 3. 5. Let your SCBA dry in a well-ventilated area. Avoid direct sunlight and never machine dry. 6. Store your clean SCBA in a dry, well-ventilated area. Keep it away from direct sunlight and sources of indoor light that may produce UV rays. 7. Once you've performed all inspection and functional testing, your SCBA is ready to return to service. We're MSA, and when you go in, we go in with you. To learn more, visit msafire.com.